What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. Love these virtual coffees.
It's the new reality.
Crazy how fast things have changed.
Yep, I was just at a meeting, what was it, 2 days ago even, and probably the last hand I'll ever shake, you know?
We'll probably never go back to normal. You know, people are just, they're not going to want to shake your hand. You're not going to want to shake theirs.
Agreed.
You know, I was thinking about what we were talking about the other day, about handshakes no longer happening. And I feel like there's got to be a way to bring that back. Handshakes, opening doors.
Elevator buttons.
To just go about your daily life without stressing.
Any surface you touch, there's germs on it.
What about a wearable hand sanitizer dispenser? That's ridiculous. Excellent. Had a similar idea. Just watch my drop. Also, quick draw. I guess I now understand why others haven't done this yet.
I think we need to come up with something better.
It's got to be easy to use. It's got to fit under your clothing.
One touch. Has to be slick, convenient, effective, and simple.
Dude, I think this is it. We made it taller so it holds more, but it's still got that really nice slope. But then you've also got like this cutout for your fingers so you can just easily put your hands underneath and it sort of fits right in. You just give it a squeeze. Boom.
Nice. Oh, that's sweet.
So under my shirt, you could barely tell it's there. You can see there's that little space right there for me to just put my fingers in, give it a squeeze, instant sanitizer.
Dude, I think that's it.
So I'm thinking that we sell it, the holster, it comes with a few cartridges. And then if they want to get more cartridges, they can order from us cartridges to them every week, every month. So they can always have sanitizer in their household and they always know they're ready to go.
Perfect.
I think we got it.
That's awesome. Cheers, man. All right, so it works. Do you think this solves the problem that we've been discussing all along?
Absolutely. As we go back to normal in this post-pandemic world, I mean, we're going to want this by our side. You know, if I'm out and about, if I'm going to a meeting, if I'm walking through an airport, if I'm walking to a coffee shop, I'm holding the door open for somebody else. The ability to know that I have something by my side, I can just sanitize instantly. It's right there. It's seamless. They can do it.
The bottom line is, it could really help a lot of people.
We just got to figure out how to get into their hands as quickly as possible. We got to get this to market.
Let's do it.
I could definitely see people wanting to use them, especially now.
I had fun with it. It was cool to not be seeking out ways to get my hand sanitizer, rather just kind of have it with me at all times.
You barely feel it in your hands or on a belt buckle, etc. Feather light and extremely easy to carry.
I feel safe. I feel like I don't have to wear gloves all the time. And it's so nice to know that I have something right beside me, keeping me constantly aware and keeping me constantly safe.
You have a lot of clients coming in once we're going to start working again, right? And you can't cut hair with gloves. So you would always have to constantly go and wash your hands back and forth. But with this, you just squeeze it and it's so easy. Such a good idea with this, making this.
I'm OCD about infection control. So, I can see this by my side all the time. I like those little, hand sanitizers that you put in your pocket, but this is a step above that. Convenience, easy, effective.
I don't work with gloves. It's very hard to work with gloves. I'm working with little tiny pieces. So I sanitize my hands all the time. So normally I carry a bottle of hand sanitizer around, pull that sucker out, pop up the cap, squirt it in my hand, pop the cap back without spilling the stuff off your hands, and I gotta rub my hands together. To have something like hand sanitizer device where I can just easily reach up and just get a little bit and do my thing, it would be really awesome.
You have control over it. You can make the decision, I want to use it now or not. You have control over your destiny, and it delivers the kind of product that you want to have to be safe. To me personally, the attractive piece is the individuality, the ability to get what I need and when I need, to know that it's not going to be empty because I filled it up and it has its own cartridge. This is my individual piece that I know exactly where it was, where it's going, where it's happening, and what's going to be with it. So it brings the personal part of it on a much higher level.
It's been a lot of hard work, but I think we did a good thing.
I think it checks all the boxes in what we were trying to accomplish.
Same here. I love it. So you think people will back it?
Absolutely. This is exactly what people need right now. We need to get this to market ASAP.
Agreed. Let's get going.
Let's do it. Woo! Woo!